Hello, Priyam. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine. How are you?
Okay, 1 second. Yes, Priyam, after a long break, right? So I hope you remember all the concepts.
Yes, ma'am. Little bit.
Yes. Do you remember all the concepts or you forgot about everything?
Uh, Ma'am, little bit forgot and little bit in mind.
1 second, the voice is low. I'll join from another device. Give me 1 minute. Yes, what I was saying is, you remember all the concepts, right? Okay, fine.
No, little bit I have.
So can you please check your notes and let me know, Priyam, which topic we were discussing about?
Ma'am, we have completed base numbers multiplication.
Yes, Priyam. Second, I'm not able to hear you. Okay? So let me log in from another device. Yes, Priyam. You're able to see the board? Okay, you're not able to unmute?
Ma'am, you are hearing my voice?
Yes, I'm able to hear you. Okay. Yeah, I hope you are also able to hear my voice, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I think we were discussing about the numbers multiplication, right? Multiplication special method we were discussing about.
Ma'am, we have done base number multiplication.
Yes. After that, we have discussed about the near base multiplication, right? Okay, fine. So
Yes,
once
ma'am,
we
we have
will
done
revise
near
all the
base also.
concepts, then we will move on to the next concept, okay?
Ma'am, we have done near base also.
Yes, Priyam?
Ma'am, we have done near base also.
Okay, we are done. But again, we are going to revise, okay? So then we will move on to the next concept. So today is 17.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So write today's date. Today is 17/2/22. You are able to see the board completely?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes. So first, just I will revise the concept of the numbers that are starting and ending with Parvamitra numbers. So starting and ending with Parvamitra numbers. So first ending with Parvamitra numbers, right? We had a small formula for this.
Ma'am, the light is coming and reflection is that, so I'm not able to see your.
Oh, okay. 1 second. Let me check. 1 second. Now, okay.
No, ma'am, the light reflection is coming on the board. That side.
Yeah, actually, I have changed the place, no, so that's why. I think, and the pen is also green. Okay, so I have written ending with Parvamitra numbers.
Ma'am, can you please switch off the backlight?
Okay. Wait.
Ma'am, now it's clear.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So ending with Parvamitra numbers. So this is for 2-digit multiplication. That is the numbers that are starting with same digit and ending with Parvamitra numbers, right? So that's what we were doing. So for example, if I have 25, okay, 23 into 27. So you can see that the numbers are starting with same digit, ending with Parvamitra numbers. Yes or no, Priyam?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So what was the formula? If the numbers are starting with same digit and ending with Parvamitra numbers, we need to multiply the first digit with its next digit. So 2 is here, the next digit is 3. 2 3s are 6, 3 7s are 21. So answer is 621. Okay. So you got it? You
Ma'am,
remember
can
this?
you do one more example?
Yes, yes. So one more example you can see here. If I have 56 into 54. So this is another example. Here what the numbers are starting with same digit and ending with Parvamitra numbers. So you remember the Parvamitra numbers, right? So these are 9, 1, 8,
Ma'am,
2.
827364 and 55.
Very good, correct. So these are the set of Parvamitra numbers. So you need to check that. So the number should start with same digit and end with Parvamitra numbers. Then what we are doing? We are not multiplying in the regular method. We are multiplying the first digit with its next digit. So 5 is here. The next digit is 6. 5 6 are 30. And 6 and 4. These two Parvamitra numbers you will directly multiply and you can write here. So 3024 is the answer. Okay. Done. Copy the example, Prem.
Ma'am, copied.
Okay. So this sutra, when we are applying, this is the Ekadikena Purvena Sutra. That is what? If the numbers are starting with same digit and ending with Parvamitra numbers, so what we should do? We should multiply the first digit with its next digit and the Parvamitra number you will directly multiply and you will write.
Done, ma'am.
Yes. So now, so I'm giving you two sums, just do it. Then we will move on to the next. Okay. So now do it. If I have 72 into 78 and the next one is if I have 96 into 94. Can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it and tell me the answer. So 72 into 78.
Ma'am, it's 1416.
Which one?
Ma'am, first one.
Okay, here what you have done, 7, the next digit is 8. 7, 8, ja, Priya?
Ma'am, but you have told that we'll multiply by the next digit like.
Yes, so 7 and the next digit is 8. 7, 8, ja?
No, ma'am, you have told the example that we will multiply with the digit that is in that number only, like 2.
No. See, the first digit is 7. No, here 7 and here also 7. So
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
going to multiply 7 with its next digit. So 7 into 8. Okay, 7 into 8 you write here. Then you multiply 8 to 16. That part is correct here. The first part is 7 into 8.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Huh. I think you got confused. So the first digit is same, no? So that's why we are applying this formula. So we are going to multiply the first digit with its next digit.
Ma'am, it's 56.
Correct. So the answer is 5616. Correct? Now do the second one. So here this is 96 into 94. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is 3624.
Why 36? 9's next digit is 10, no?
Ma'am, but we have to multiply 9 with 4 now.
Why 9 with 4? 9 with the next digit, Priyam. 9 is here also 9 is there. So 9 we need to multiply with the next digit. 9's next digit is 10. 9 into 10, 90. Here also 7 into next digit. 7, 8, 56.
Oh,
And
ma'am,
this is correct. 6, 4,
next digit
24. That you
means
have done correct.
ma'am, I think that 7 and the next digit in multiply by 78 now. So that's one 8.
No, no, no. 7, the first digit is same, no? Whatever the number we are having here, the next digit. So 7, 8 ja 56, 9, 10 ja 90. Okay, so whatever the first digit we have, we are going to multiply with the next digit.
Okay, ma'am, can you give one more sum?
Yes, yes, 2 more I'll give you. You complete this one, you correct. So 2 more I'll give you. If I have 29 into 21. Now here, as I told you, 1 into 9, if the numbers are below 30, the answer will be 3 digit. Okay, so if required, we need to put 0 before this. You remember the technique I told you?
Ma'am, but it's before 30, no?
Yes, 29 and 21, this is what? This is 3 digit, but the answer should be 3 digit. But if you are not getting, you need to put a 0 before that.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope you remember.
Yes, ma'am.
So the answer should be 3 digits. Chalo. So next one I'm giving you 4, 7 into 4, 3.
Ma'am, the first one answer is 069.
No, Priyam, you are mixing all the concepts. I think because after 15 days you are having the class, right? So you forgot everything. Okay, fine, no problem. Once again, I'm explaining. See, 2929 into 2121. So here 1 9 is a C. What we are doing? So because 2 is here, so same digit. That's why what we are doing? We are multiplying this with the next digit. 2 3 is a 6. 9 ones are 9. But we need to put 0 before here. Where to put? Here, not here.
Yes, mom.
So where we need to add 0? Here, not here. Okay, not 069. This is 609.
Okay, mom.
We were adding here, right? We are going to change this digit. We have done many problems. You can check your classwork about this one. Okay. So here we are going to add 0. Okay, corrected?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing fourth one.
Okay, do fourth one and one more. For 9, I'm giving you. So if I have 59 into 51. So now this is more than 30. The answer will be 4 digit. Okay. Done?
No, ma'am. 1 second, please. Ma'am, it's 2021.
Yes, very good. Correct. Do the last one.
Ma'am, it's 33,009.
30, not 30,000. This is 3,009. Very good.
3,009.
Correct. Very good. Correct. 3,009. So now you got, right? Okay. You want to do 2 more problems on this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute. Let me get the sponge. Okay, fine. So 2 more of this. Then we will move on to the next one. That is if the numbers are starting with Parmamitra numbers and ending with same digit, then what to do? Okay. Now do 2 more sums. If I have 73 into 77, if I have 85 into 85, okay, do these 2 sums.
Ma'am, it is 5621.
Very good. Yes.
Fine. 800, 860, 804, 842, 8548, 048, 876, 864, 972, 72. Ma'am, it's 7225.
Very good. Correct. Okay, so in one line we got the answer without multiplying and without the, like, no need to read all the tables, directly only for this one you can do, and you can directly write in one line the answer, right? So this is if the numbers are starting with same digit and ending with parameter numbers. Now the next concept is what? If the numbers are starting with parameter numbers and ending with same digit, then what to do? Just this also we have discussed, right? But just we will
Yes, ma'am, but
revise.
I have forgot.
What, Priyam?
Ma'am, but I have forgot little bit.
Yes, okay, no problem. I can understand because after 15 days we are having a class, right? So it's okay, no problem. Okay. So if the numbers are starting with parameter numbers, write the heading starting with parameter numbers. So let's do one example. If I have 23 and 83, I need to multiply. So yes or no, this is what? Starting with parameter number and ending with same digit. Yes or no, Priyam? Just the
Yes, ma'am.
just the
I'm
opposite
sure
of,
the opposite of that one.
yes, perfect. Yes, correct. So this is the opposite of what we have discussed earlier, right? So here what we need to do is we need to multiply the first two digits. 2 8 just 16. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then after multiplying these two, you will add this one plus whatever the digit we have, 3. Anyways, both are same, right? So 3, 3. So any 1, 3 you are going to add. So 2, 8 just 16 plus 3, 19. And then you will multiply 3, 3s are 9. And this is 83, right? So this is very big number. So we are going to put, so the answer will be 4 digit. We are going to put 0 over there. So the answer is 1909. And I think you remember I told you that this is known as L method. Do you remember this one?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to multiply the first two digits and then we are going to add this digit. So this is known as L method. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
So one more example I'm showing you here. If I have 46 and 66. So this is also, you can see that starting with parameter numbers and ending with same digit. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we are going to do? L method. 4 into 6, 24 plus 6. So this is 30. 6, 6 36. So 3036 is the answer. Clear, Priya?
Yes, ma'am.
This is known as L method. Why? Because we are multiplying and then we are adding that plus. 4, 6, 24 plus 6. So this is plus. Okay. This is plus.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, now you will do the sums.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So first two sums I'm giving you, do that, then I'll give you two more sums. If I have 26 into 84, sorry, 86. And if I have 33 into 73, okay. You try these two sums, then I'll give you two more. Okay, do it and tell me the answer. So here this is starting with Parvamitra number and ending with same digit.
Ma'am, in which number we have to add?
See, 2 into 8 plus 6. You can write here like this, 26 into 86. So 2 into 8 plus 6. Okay?
Okay,
You
ma'am.
can column wise and you can do it. Yes, you are able to do 2, 8, just 16
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
6. Huh. And 6 and 6, you will just see the previous example, how I have explained. And the second part, 6 into
Ma'am, it is 1622.
yes, one second.
Ma'am, it is 1622.
How you got 22? 6 into 6
Ma'am,
directly.
ma'am, I have get 2 into 8, 16, and I have add 6.
Yes, that is 20.
See,
Yes, that is 22, correct. And the next part, 6 into 6, 36. 2 to 3, 6. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
The next part is also there, right? So that too also you will multiply directly and you will write.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
First you will do L and the second part you will directly multiply the last two digits and you will write. So first two digits you will multiply and you will add it to the second one. 3 sevens are 21 plus 3 you will write here. And this 2 you will multiply and you will write here. And here you need to put 0. Because the answer should be 4 digit. Because both are more than 30. Okay, this concept, this number of digit concept you need to remember always.
Ma'am, it's 2409.
Very good, correct.
Ma'am, but I have a doubt in this one.
Yes, yes. Tell me what is your doubt.
Like in first one also, you have given first number at 26, you have given less than 30, and second one 86 more than 30. So, ma'am, we will put 0 or not?
Yes, yes. But here you can see that there is a much gap, right? So this is 26, this is less than 30, but this is much more. So this is larger than 30. So bigger numbers are there, right? So this will be 4 digit only. So we are not going to add the carry here. Okay. Yes. For less than, it is sure that you will get 3-digit answer. But for more, so this is very big number, right? So 26 and 86 is very big. The difference is much. So that's why what? If near numbers are there, then as you say, that concept is correct. This is a very big number. So this is more than 30 and this is 86 like that. So that's why you'll get the 4-digit answer only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So now 2 more examples of this method we will do. Then we will move on to the next concept. So this is if I have okay, 45 into 65. Okay, and 53 into 57. So here also you can see that 4 and 6 are Paramameter numbers, and 5, 5, that are also Paramameter numbers.
Paramameter number, but they are same.
Yes, here I am giving you 53 and 53. Okay. So this is what? Here 5 and 5 are Paramameter numbers, and 3 and 3 are same. Okay. So apply same formula, you will get the answer. L method. You apply L method here, you will get the answer. This is also coming under if the numbers are starting with Paramameter numbers. So 4 and 6 are Paramameter numbers. 5 and 5 are also Paramameter numbers. And the second digit is same. So you can apply L method here. So do it and tell me the answer. So 4, 6, how much you got plus the next digit 5.
Ma'am, the first one is 2925.
Very good, correct.
Ma'am, the second one is 2809.
28.
Yes, ma'am, because 5, 5, 25, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Very good, correct. And this is 09. Why we are adding 0? Because the answer will be 4-digit because both are more than 30.
Yes, ma'am.
2 more examples. So if I have 59 into 59, and if I have 83, okay, 8 I have given more, right? So now let's change 73 into 33. Okay, do it. So now after this, just by seeing this, you can tell the answer, right, Priya? Yes. So just by seeing also, you can just multiply with the next digit, and the next one you will directly multiply and you can tell the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is 3481.
Yes. Yes. Next one.
Ma'am, it's 2409.
Yes, correct. So now these two concepts are clear that if the numbers are starting with parameter number, what to do? If the numbers are ending with parameter number, what to do? Right? These two concepts are done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Done.
Huh. So now only two sums. Just I'll combine both the concepts and let's check whether you are able to differentiate both or not. Okay. So if I have ending with Parmamitra number, you need to apply ekadhikena. Okay, remember that. In short, if starting with Parmamitra number, you will do L method. Clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So now just mixing both methods, you need to differentiate both. Okay? Sure. So if this is 27 into 23, if I have 34 into 36, if I have 56 into 56, if I have 62 into 42. Now before doing, first you tell me which are coming under L method and which are coming under Ekadhikena Sutra.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am. I'm writing question.
Okay.
Ma'am, the first one is ending with parameter numbers.
Very good. Second one.
Ma'am, second one is also ending with parameter numbers.
Okay. Third and fourth.
Ma'am, third one is starting with parameter numbers.
Okay.
And ma'am, fourth one is also starting with parameter number.
Very good. Very good. Now solve it and tell me the answer. Yes, Priyam. First one done.
No, ma'am, doing ma'am.
Okay. So you are going to apply Ekadhikena there.
Ma'am, it's 6021.
Yes. Why 0 in the middle? 0 not required. 6 to 1. Because see, this is less than 30. Both are less than 30. So the answer will be 3 digits. 6 to 1 correct. No need to add 0. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. If the numbers are less than 30 both, then directly you can say that yes, the answer
Ma'am,
is
it's 1, 2, 2, 4.
very good, correct. So 56 into 56, both are more than 30. So the answer is 4 digit. No need to add 0, no need to add carry. Okay,
Ma'am, the third one answer is 3136.
very good, correct.
Okay. Ma'am, it's 2604.
Yes,
Ma'am, because it's more than 30, because that's why I have actually.
yes, correct, correct. 260. Perfect. So now this is done, right? Now next we have discussed in special method is the near base method. That we will continue in the next class. Now still 15 minutes are there. Now let me tell you yes, till which table you know, Priya?
Ma'am, till 20?
Till 20 you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell
Ma'am,
me
did
12
I
table?
little bit forget?
Okay, fine. Can you tell me 12 table now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 12 1, 12, 12 2, 24, 12 3, 36, 12 4, 48, 12 5, 60, 12 6, 72, 12 7, 84, 12 8, 96, 12 9, 108, 12 10, 120.
Okay, fine. And what about 18 table? Can you tell 18 table?
Mm, no, ma'am. I had forget little bit.
Okay, fine. Now I'll tell you actually 1 to 10, we all like every student like till class 3 or 4, they know 1 to 10 tables, right? Now after that, 11 table already I have taught you that shortcut method, right? For 11, it's okay. But from 12 and more till 100, now I'll tell you one short trick. You can write the table, okay? For any number, like for 94 also, you can write the table by applying this. You want to learn that?
Yes, ma'am.
This is very useful for division also. Like anyways, we are in multiplication now. So we need to learn. So this is the Vedic method for tables. So write the heading Vedic method for tables. So tables we are writing from 12 to 100. Okay. So because anyways for 11 we know. So for 2 digits, any number we can write the table by using this method. Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. So now let's start with 14. Okay. So which I think you know little bit. 14 table, right? So now what we are going to do is to write 14 table. What we are going to do is, if I want 14 table, so what I should do is I should write one table here. I will write 4 table here, and I will get 14 table directly by this 2. So one table, let's write one table. One, ones are one, one, twos are two. Only answers you will write here. Okay, only answers you will write. So one ones are one twos are two, one threes are three, one fours are four, one fives are five, one six are six, one sevens are seven, one eights are eight, the nine, one tens are 10. Okay, so write one table here. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what you will do is, so here, 4 table you will write, only answers again. 4 ones are 4. So immediately parallel to this one you will write. So 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Okay? Only answers parallel to this one.
Done, ma'am.
So now what you will do is we will combine both the digits. So one digit you will write. So only ones place you will write here. And if 2 digits are there, you are going to add here. Okay. So 1, 4, only one digits are there. 14 ones are 14 I put. Now 2, 8, only one digits are there. Write 2, 8. Okay, Priya?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. But here I have 2 digits. So 2 I will write. Ones please I will write here. But 1 will be added to 3. So 3 plus 1 I will get 4. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Again 6 you will write. 1 will be added here. So 4 plus 1 5. 56. So next to 0 I will write. 2 is my carry. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Again 4 I will write here. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay. So ones place whatever the values we have, that we are writing directly. But if 2 digits are there, we are adding here. Okay. So now 84 done. So now this is 98. So here 32 is there. 2 here, 3 will be added here. So this is 112. Now 6 here, 12 here. Now here 0 is here, 4 here. So this is 10 plus 4, 14. 140 is the answer. Got 14 table, Priyam?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
this
but
is
in last one, we have 40 and 10, but we have not carried 4 in that, and 0 in that. Nothing we have carried.
where?
Ma'am, in 14 10, but then also we get 140.
But why we got 14 only? Because 0 is here. As it is, we have written 10 plus 4 is 14 only. So directly I have written 14. That's it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
10 plus 4 is 14, right? So that's why we have written directly. And because this is 0, so that's why it's not visible like as if we have added anything, right?
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So this is how we are doing. So what we are doing, if 14 table, you need to write 1 table. Here you will write 4 table, and then you will write the ones place as it is, and you will add the carries. So like this, you can write till 99 or more also. For 100 also, you can write 10 table, you can write 0 table like that. And you need to combine both. Okay. So for any 56,
Ma'am, in like 30, in 32 table, we have to write 1 table and 3 table.
correct. Okay.
Okay.
So now let's write. So you have written 14 table, right? So now you write 41 table. Okay. So let's write 41 table also. Shall we?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall. Right. So let's see, only 5 minutes left. You just start writing. You will show me in the next class. Okay. So for 41 table, what you are doing? So you will write the 4 table. You will write 1 table. And you will combine both. So 41 table you will get here. Okay. 1 second. You start writing. Okay, Priyam, you just do that and show me in the next class. Okay. Okay, Priyam, you can leave. Bye.
But ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, like we have added 14, we have to write 14 table. So we have 1 and 4. So we have got 14 to ma'am, but in this one also we will have 1 and 4 only. So ma'am, how we will get
Yes.
41?
See, if you don't have any carry, no need to add anything. If one digits are there, directly you need to write. Okay. If you are having any other doubts, I'll clear in the next class. Okay. So you just try to write. If you're not able to, I'll do it again in the next class. You can leave, Priyam. Okay.
Okay
Bye.
ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye ma'am.